Hey guys, this is how to fix disappearing messages in Messenger. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to Google Play Store, or if you are using an Apple, just simply go to Apple Store and just simply go search for the Messenger application. And now from here guys, make sure to tap on the Messenger app and make sure you are running the latest version of the application. So another thing that you could do is just simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and make sure you have that enable auto update in order for you to fix your issue. So now, if it still doesn't work, what you could try to do is go to the application and just simply hold the Messenger app. And from here, just simply go for app info. And after that, just simply go to the storage. And from here, just simply tap on a clear cache down below. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. But if it still doesn't, just simply tap on the clear data over here. And after that, just simply tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.